Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the notification bell. Thank you so much. So, sorry it's been a little while, YouTube, a few days. I've been trying to decipher what kind of content I'm going to make. It's been a little crazy with all the rumors and misinformation going around. I'm sure many of you will agree. And the latest topic is the lawyer, Ann Taylor. And I wanted to bring that up since she's a public defender. And this has been a really hot topic. And I think it deserves some explanation. So we all know that Ann Taylor is Brian Kohberger's attorney, and she works out of the Kootenai County, Idaho Public Defender's Office. She's represented multiple clients, and here's why she was assigned to Brian. So if you look on this sheet, this is the Capital Council roster. You can see her there. She's in District 1. And there's only 3 attorneys in District 1 who are death penalty qualified. However, you can see that some of those are lead and some of those are not lead qualified. They would be like post-conviction appeal lawyers. So that explains why she had to be on the case. She's the only one. Now, she's represented Madison Mogen's stepmom, as well as Xana Kernodle's mother. And I've checked. She's not representing anyone else in the family that I could find. So the 30th of December, 2022, she was assigned to Brian Kohberger's case as the only death penalty qualified attorney in District 1. Corey Hadrock is the stepmother of Madison Mogen. She had some run-ins with the law and was definitely represented by Ann Taylor. But what's interesting is Stanley Mortensen is also an attorney. On here you can see that Ann Taylor is an inactive attorney. So sometimes there's multiple lawyers in a firm, and I'm noticing that Ann Taylor was secondary in a lot of these cases. You can see she's had quite a few little run-ins here. But I was checking out everyone, and I know that Xana's mother has been one of the hottest topics, and that's what brought attention to it, because she was represented by Ann Taylor, and Ann Taylor stepped down off of her case. Dylan Mortensen, since we brought her up, she also had a charge of an e-cigarette, I guess, underage. She was not represented by Ms. Taylor. And her dad had a bunch of run-ins with the law as well. And they were just some infractions, so we're not going to get into that too much. Maddie actually got in trouble too. Underage drinking. And there's Xana's mom again. And here you can see where Ann Taylor took herself off of Miss Kernodle's case. That actually happened on the 5th of January this year, and I believe that was the day before Brian Kohberger touched down in Idaho. I don't believe that that's going to be an issue, because as we've discussed, she is the only death penalty qualified public defender in District 1. And even in the other districts, there really aren't many to choose from. And I don't know how far away those districts are. That's an issue. So Ann Taylor most likely isn't in any violation of a conflict, according to the things that I've read. And aside from that, the gag order is strictly in place. So we most likely will not be hearing from the Gonsalves family or the family attorney, as he's been put under this gag order. Well, folks, the mystery has been solved with facts. There's the list. We don't even have a death penalty qualified lawyer in District 2, but there are some in 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I guess that's just too far away. So we've definitely gotten to the bottom of it, and I'll bring you whatever news comes my way. I don't want to bring a bunch of speculative stuff like the other channels trying to fill time, so I just want to bring you facts. I don't anticipate a lot in this case due to the gag order, but things are going to be coming up soon in the very near future. There's a few other cases and stories I'm working on, so please go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell so you can be in the loop. And if there's any cases you're interested in hearing about, go ahead and comment. A friend of mine is missing in Arizona. We're in week 9, and that's really been on my heart. If you haven't seen those videos, check them out. My friend is Joanne Dudek. There's another mother who was missing and found dead out of Philadelphia. Her name is Jennifer Brown. Also, if Kernodle's watching, I just want to say to you, I know that you're struggling with a lot of things, but please get in touch with your attorney so you can make good on whatever's out there and stay out of jail, please. There is help out there, and you can get it. Do it for yourself and do it for your other daughter, please. In the meanwhile, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.